Hey everybody, it's Ryan. I'm gonna give you a quick overview of these Brooks shoes. These things, if you're looking for something that's got significant, and I'm not just saying that, I don't ever say it to this extent. If you're looking for something that's got significant cushion, this Ghost Max is over the top. I've never worn a shoe that has this amount of cushion, and it's different than wearing a shoe that has it looks like a big bubble, like a big air bubble, because it's not an air bubble. I'm not really sure what all is involved in the cushioning of these, because unlike a shoe that has like the bubble, the big air bubble, these are set up to kind of contour to your foot and give some significant support in the arches and everything else. It will also, wasn't even expecting this, it will also give you at minimum an 1.5 inch additional lift on your height. To kind of put things into perspective, so there's 1.5 inch right there, and right in here, right where that line is basically where your foot rests. So your foot, is gonna plateau right there, and with some weight on it, it pretty much right at that line, I don't know if that was by design, is where it's gonna sit. Been wearing these for a little over a week. These, the color of this is like a white oyster color. It's like a whitish, very, very, very subtle, like a chalk color to it, white with like this chalk color. Breathability is really nice, surprisingly nice. Never worn this type of shoe before. I've had Brooks in the past, but this one, I was looking for something that has even more, not only support, but also cushion. And just like, I couldn't believe it. I was like pleasantly, for lack of a better word, pleasantly surprised. Just a very nice looking white shoe. Also looks really nice with like black slacks or something if you're trying to dress up, even like a suit. Having some nice slacks with this, because it is an all white, even though it's called oyster, I believe. This color here just looks really, really sharp. Has laces and everything. I just tie it and I slip them on and off. I don't even tie these every time. But just super nice. Inside is got a ton of padding, very soft, but from a cushion standpoint, I think this is where the shoe significantly excels. Not sure if that was I guess that is the intention of these. These are more of a cushion, just a soft, general overall feel. Definitely has still some flex in it, so if you were jogging or anything like that, that's the thing. So walking or even jogging, the compression amount of travel space from the weight of the heel landing is so large that it's just a different sensation, for lack of a better word. So hopefully that answers any question you might have about these Ghost Max full blown cushion tennis shoe. And we'll talk to you soon.